So let's put some of the things that we've learned, some of the principles covered in the previous videos into action. And we're going to be calculating angles and looking at an example. So we might be faced with a question like this. Calculate the size of the exterior and interior angle in a regular pentagon. Now, penta means 5. And so a pentagon is a 5-sided shape, and it's a regular shape in this example. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So this is very much a pentagon. And we need to work out the internal angles and the external angles. So if you remember, the internal angles are within the shape. The external angle is the angle from an extension of one of the sides, or of each of the sides. So this is how you would go about it. First of all, you would start by finding out the sum of all the interior angles. Okay, and the way that you do this is using the equations that we've covered, that the sum of interior angles equals n, the number of sides of the structure, minus 2. And all of that multiplied by 180. So how many sides do we have? Well, we've counted this before. There are 5 sides. So you'd put the 5 in there, minus 2 equals 3 multiplied by 180 degrees. So that's how you would do that. Then if you were asked to come up with the value for one particular angle, because this value gives you the total of all of these added together. So if you were asked to come up with just the value for one of those, because these are all equal, then all you have to do is to divide that by 5 using this equation. So the interior angle of a polygon equals the sum of all the interior angles, which just worked out from here, divided by the number of sides. Number of sides gives us the number of angles. So there are 5 sides and 5 angles. So how about if we're looking at the exterior angles? So these are these angles in green. Well, we use the formula that the exterior angle of a polygon, of a pentagon in this case, equals 360 degrees. And if you remember, all the external angles add up to 360. So 360 divided by the number of sides, which in this case is 5. And you just divide 5 into 360 and you get the answer. So it's as straightforward as that.